What do you do with a mess of tools? One option is to organize them on a pegboard. Pegboard is cheap and fast. You can find a 4x2 foot board for under $20 USD. Here's the tools and hardware you will likely need for this project. A 1x2 board is probably the minimum size to back your pegboard. A thicker piece of wood will make the project easier. Remember that you'll need space behind the board to insert the hardware. Check your frame for level so your friends won't make fun of the finished project. You can triple check if you need an excuse for more tools. Hang your second board to complete the frame. Depending on the weight you put on the pegboard, consider whether you need boards on the sides. You don't need long screws. It's more important to have decent sized washers to prevent the pegboard from tearing out later. I put 4 screws each through the peg holes on the top and bottom. Now for the part everyone loves.
Organization!
Lay the tools out on the ground in an area the same size as the pegboard. This is an efficient way to find your desired display. Now you can put the hardware in the peg holes and mount your tools. Once finished, step back and appreciate the splendor of your collection. This board is lacking in teal. Subscribe to this channel to see if we can correct that.